Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by, I really appreciate it. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the Lancôme La Vie Belle Elixir EDP perfume. So I have thoughts, and what we're also going to be discussing is the notes in the perfume, because I couldn't tell you what the notes are. Like, this is it here. So this is what it comes like from the fragrance shop. So you're getting the atomizer. It's got a different perfume in there now. It's got the Marc Jacobs Daisy EDP. And this is the one I've emptied. So this is the one I've finished. And the thoughts are, a little 8ml sample like this took me 2 months to get through. It is a very, very strong perfume. I guess that's where the name Elixir comes from. It's not just Lancôme La Vie Belle, it's Elixir. So that makes it stronger. It's almost like an essence perfume. And like I said, you know, it's such a small size. I really, really did like it. I've just sprayed a little bit more on the previous video on my wrist. I cannot make out what scent it is. Now, I normally, like, for reference, I normally like a very, very sweet smelling perfume. To me, this isn't a sweet smelling perfume, but again, it's not like your YSL Black Opiums either. It's in between, I would say. So let's go through the notes. I always struggle to find notes on perfumes. A good website is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Fragrantica. You can't see it. I'm going to put that though somewhere around here so you'll see it. And it says La Vie Belle Elixir Lancôme for women. Right, so main accords are fruity. Let's smell it again. Can I smell fruit? Yeah, maybe. Ozonic. Sweet. I don't think this is sweet. Not as sweet as I would like anyway. But it's not strong either. So like I said, it's in between. Rose. Can I smell rose? No. Aquatic. What's aquatic? Is it like the sea? Leather? No. Alcohol. Alcohol is what makes it stronger. So yeah, you can smell that. Green. I feel like I'm gonna, sniff this too many times. Animalic and citrus. I would say it's very citrusy. Perfume's got a 3.89 out of 5 with 2,199 votes. It says La Vie Belle Elixir by Lancôme is a floral fruity gourmand fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. La Vie Belle Elixir was launched in 2024. La Vie Belle Elixir was created by Antoine Maisondier and Christophe Reynard. Top notes are raspberry, liquor, and Calabrian bergamot. Middle notes are violet, leaf, and rose. Base notes are leather, cacao butter, and cedarwood. La Vie Belle Elixir by Lancôme is a floral, fruity, gourmand fragrance designed to evoke a deep sense of liberation and self-confidence. This eau de parfum opens with sparkling notes of raspberry accord and Calabrian bergamot, leading to a heart of violet leaf, absolute, and rose heart, absolute. The base features the rich scents of cocoa butter, absolute, leather accord, and Virginia cedarwood. Reimagined by Suzanne Dalton, a renowned glass designer, the iconic La Vie Belle smile is taken to the pinnacle of craftsmanship, where the iconic La Vie Belle smile is etched into the glass, available in 30, 50 and 100ml eau de parfum. So that gives us more information than that. But like I said, I am going to put that there, and I'll put all this other things there so you can read it. Like, I'll do this. There's quite a lot to read. But if you just went to the website anyway, which is called fragrantica.com, you'd see it. All you'd need to do is type in, what did I type in? I typed in La Vie Belle Elixir Lancôme, and it came up with this. Would I buy this perfume again? If I wanted one strong perfume that was quite sweet as well, then yeah, probably. but it's expensive. Even the 30ml bottle's expensive, so probably not. It would have to be one of those perfumes. Do you know, that's a bit like J'adore Dior, perfume that you keep for best. It would have to be that. But I've stopped buying perfume for best, so that's that one. Is there anything else? Oh wait, Perfume Pyramid, top notes: raspberry liquor, Calabrian bergamot. Middle notes: violet leaf, rose. Base notes: leather, cacao butter, and cedarwood. So it shows it all there, which you can put in the video as well around here. And then is there anything else? I mean, this is what the bottle looks like. It is so beautiful. That would look so stunning. That's eBay. How much is it? £89 free. But it should be £142 for 100ml. The thing is with eBay, you never know if it's the real deal, do you? I don't like buying perfume from there. I don't like buying a whole bunch from there. Even when it comes to Colourpop eyeshadow palettes, I don't like buying them either. I just like to go to the original site. But look at that stunning perfume bottle. That's a reason for me to get it, not. But yeah, this is the video, guys. Again, thank you for watching. It means a lot. Let me know if you've tried the Lancôme La Vie Belle Elixir, and let me know what your thoughts are on it. I'd really appreciate it in the comments down below. Let's start that conversation. Thank you everyone so much for watching these longer form content videos. I know I'm not live streaming at the moment, but I'm going to try and do as many of these longer form content videos as I can. I'm coming to a live stream near you very, very soon, in the next 3 or 4 weeks, I should imagine, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.